Hey there, this is Jill with Abundant Living and thinking about weeds. And I'm thinking about the field walk this Saturday and getting excited about it. It's going to be a good time. I hope the weather cooperates with us. I was thinking today in the Abundant Living Habits course, Life Change, Upping Your Life course with healthy habits, we're talking about a plant-centered diet this couple of weeks, and so it's a good timing. But I was thinking about what plants have to offer us, why we want plants to pay attention to them. Everyone's coming with their reasons for this field walk, but as I've learned about foraging and learned about paying attention to what nature has to offer out there, I've learned a few things, and this is why I'm passionate about it, and I love to share it, and I want to help other people get these same things. One of the first lessons is to always be growing. Nature has always got something going. There's always a way to expand, to change, to try new things. Nature's always up to that. So plants remind us, always be growing. Don't be afraid to change, to go into new areas, to try new things. And the second thought is that there's always something out there for you. When I started foraging, I started to realize there's always something. I'm always provided for. And I don't have to plant it. I don't have to cultivate it, water it. All I have to do is go out and reap the benefits. Nature's got your back. You're cared for. You're provided for. And you can rest assured in that. There's always something. Third thought, we need to be listening right now. This time, more than any other time in my memory, which isn't that long, I'll grant. Longer on some days than others. We need to be listening to each other, listening deeply, looking for what's needed, what we need. When I started looking at plants, I realized, wow, if I just listen to my body, listen to what it wants and needs, and then I look around, nature's got it there for you. Nature's ready to provide. If you listen to nature, you start to hear what's available, to hear what it needs, what the plants want. It sounds kind of funny, but you start to notice, you start to pay attention to the world around you, you start to be in the moment, and you start to realize that you have a relationship that is concrete and bountiful. And that's what abundance is all about, is knowing that you're cared for, you're protected, you're provided for, and that is in spades. It's abundant. So, learning to listen deeply is a benefit of foraging. Knowing that you are abundantly provided for is a benefit of foraging. And getting that encouragement to always be growing and changing and learning is a benefit of foraging. I'm out here this morning, I'm getting my breakfast, and I'm going to show you, I had to do some searching this morning because the guys did weed whacking yesterday and took down a lot of my weeds in the garden, which was fabulous, but then I had to go look. But I found this treasure trove right here. I'm going to have lambsquarter today. This one right here is knotweed. It's got that long stem that looks like joints on it. That's knotweed. There's another one, a little more. These are all super dense in the vitamins and minerals. There's some mallow. That's got a lot of moisturizing. Helps greatly with elimination and deeply nourishing your large intestine. It's fabulous. And there was one more. Oh, a little bit of purslane. This purslane is kind of getting squeezed out, so it's not super healthy. But there it is. And those weeds are ones that show up everywhere. everyone has them. They're just little volunteers any place that the earth has been disrupted, because they come in to help it heal and put it back together, and they'll feed you along the way. So that's what we're doing with weeds today. I look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Have a great and abundant day.